In this video, I'm going to show you hidden tips and tricks when using Google Chrome on your Android device. Hey guys, what's up? It's Anne-Marie from Supreme Guru Tech and I'm back with another video. So tip number 1 is how to turn on light mode on Chrome. So not only will this make your browsing faster, but it will also help cut down the data consumption. So to do that, we're going to open up Google Chrome. And then what we're going to do is tap on the 3 dots and go to where it says settings down at the bottom. Tap into settings. Now what you will see is if you scroll on down, there is an option here for light mode. And all you want to do is toggle that on, and now you can start saving some data. Tip number 2 is preloading pages for faster browsing. So basically this is a Chrome specific feature, and it means the page will often be loaded in the background before you decide to go into it. It does make it a faster experience, but it can also use a bit more data. So to do that, all you have to do is open the Chrome app and then go down again to where it says settings. Then what you want to do is search for the option of privacy and security. Tap into here, and then what you want to do is toggle preload pages for faster browsing and searching. And as you can see, I've already got that switched on. Tip number 3 is switching your default search engine on Chrome. So okay, Google is considered the king in this category, but for some reason, if you do use another search engine, you can't set this as your default search. So all you have to do is open Chrome again, tap on the 3 dots, and then tap on settings, and you will see an option for search engine at the top. And in here you can select from a number of different search engines. Tip number 4 is interacting with the likes of emails, phone numbers and addresses you see online. So you don't necessarily need to turn on a setting for this, but if you hold in that particular message, you can see here it does say send a message, and then it will give me an option to use that with one of my email providers. So again, if I was to hold on to this, you can see that I can automatically go to the map option, and that will bring that up in my Google Maps. And then the last thing I want to show you is phone numbers. So all you have to do with a phone number is just tap on it, and it will automatically bring that up into your phone dialer. And all you have to do is hit the call button and you can call that particular number. Tip number 5 is adding a website shortcut to your home screen. So sometimes websites don't have apps, and it's a bit of a pain to go and search for that particular website each time. So if you want to set that as an icon on your home screen, all you have to do is search for the particular type of website that you want to create a shortcut for. Tap into that website and click on the 3 dots in the top right hand corner. And as you can see here, down towards the bottom, it does say add to home screen. Now I can rename this, so what I can do is take out this, and then all I have to do is hit the add button, and that will give me now an option on my home screen here for that particular website. All I have to do is tap on it, and it will automatically load up that website. So mobile sites are best on Chrome for Android, only when they're properly designed for it. So bad mobile websites are common, and many don't offer all the features available in their desktop counterparts. So what you can do is, if I go in to, again, let's just say BBC, and then if I tap on the 3 dots, you can see I do have the option down towards the bottom for the desktop website, and that will automatically change for me. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you do want to see more videos like this, then why not subscribe to my channel. You guys have been watching and listening to Anne-Marie from Supreme Guru Tech. Peace.